Today, we're diving into one of Google's latest and most exciting features, Zoom Enhance. If you're a photography enthusiast or just someone who loves capturing memories on your phone, you're going to want to stick around. Google has finally rolled out the Zoom Enhance feature, but there's a catch. It's only available on the Pixel 8 Pro, and soon, the Pixel 9 series. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what Zoom Enhance can do, why it's so revolutionary, and showcase some sample images that demonstrate its capabilities. Let's get started. So what exactly is Zoom Enhance? If you're familiar with Google's Super Res Zoom, you might think this is just an upgraded version, but it's actually quite different. While Super Res Zoom works while you're taking the photo, Zoom Enhance does its magic after the fact. That's right, you can use this feature on photos you've already taken, even if they're years old or not taken with a Pixel device at all. The feature is tucked away in Google Photos under the Tools section. If you have a Pixel 8 Pro, or you're watching this after the Pixel 9 launch, you'll be able to find it there. And here's the kicker. Zoom Enhance is Google's first image-to-image diffusion model designed to run entirely on your device. This is why it's not available on the standard Pixel 8, as the feature demands a significant amount of processing power and memory. Now let's talk about how Zoom Enhance actually works. Payman Malanfar, a distinguished scientist at Google who leads their computational imaging team, recently shared a thread on X, formerly Twitter, explaining the ins and outs of this feature. According to him, this new tool allows you to crop, reframe, and enhance images after you've already taken them. Whether it's a recent shot or a photo from years ago, Zoom Enhance can make it look sharper and more detailed. Nolan Farr said that this feature isn't just for photos. It can even be used on images generated by AI text-to-image models. That means you can upscale and enhance those images as well, taking them to a whole new level of quality. Let's take a look at some of the sample images shared by Malanfar. These images are displayed in groups of 3, the original photo, a simple crop and upscale, and finally, the same image enhanced using Zoom Enhance. 1. Zooming in beyond the limit. In the first set, you see how Zoom Enhance allows you to go beyond the maximum zoom of the Pixel 8 Pro. Even when you think you've reached the limit, this feature enables you to zoom in further and enhance the details. 2. Enhancing famous landmarks. Imagine you're at a crowded museum or a famous landmark where it's hard to get close to your subject. With Zoom Enhance, you can take a shot from a distance and then zoom in later, cropping out the distractions while keeping the subject clear and detailed. 3. Reading distant text. Have you ever been too far away to read a sign in your photo? Zoom Enhance can help you make out the text even when it's barely visible in the original shot. 4. Reframing your shots. Instead of just cropping your photos, you can now reframe them after the fact without losing quality. This is a game changer for anyone who's ever taken a picture and later wished they had framed it differently. 5. Isolating small subjects. If your subject is small and surrounded by empty space, Zoom Enhance can help you isolate and highlight that area, making your subject stand out. 6. Enhance is more than just a cool new feature. It's a powerful tool that can change how you approach photography on your smartphone. Whether you're enhancing recent photos or breathing new life into old ones, this feature gives you unprecedented control over your images. So what do you think? Are you excited to try out Zoom Enhance on your Pixel 8 Pro or the upcoming Pixel 9 series? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you with the next one. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.